about what you're cooking for Thanksgiving. So we have Lady Wren here in the kitchen, of course. And Lady Wren was just telling me something kind of interesting. A lot of people ask for vegetarian options.
Yes.
Because you don't think about it. I mean, if you're a vegetarian, you're not going to be eating turkey. So tell us what we're working with here today.
Well, we're working with something that can vegetarian, and then with a few swaps, it becomes vegan,
Oh, okay.
dairy-free, and gluten-free.
Wow.
So I have here, and of course I'll talk about dessert as well.
Yeah.
But that's not vegan, dairy-free.
Yeah. Same.
Anyway, so
It's all about balance,
it's
right?
all about balance. That's what I say all of the time. Enjoy, just eat, as my book says.
Yes.
But it's about balance. Anyway, so what I have over here, this is a roasted carrot with
Ooh.
farro and chickpeas, and then I have some herb creme fraiche.
Ooh, that smells good.
Yes. So what you do is in a 425-degree oven, you would roast your carrots.
Okay.
And then while that's roasting, you cook your farro. While that's cooking, and then you add the chickpeas towards the end.
Okay.
It all comes together. You stir in the chickpeas, and then this is how you would set it up, so it looks really pretty.
It does look pretty.
And then you put the carrots on top. And what I have here is the creme fraiche, and it becomes the herbs. You have choices. You can either put individual spices and then some chopped parsley, or in my case, I had the Lady Wren's chef blend. So again, we're speeding up time in the kitchen because you have all the herbs and spices in here.
Okay.
And this is the creme fraiche. And what you would do is, this is how you would serve it. You would drizzle it over. And then I have here some toasted pumpkin seeds.
Ooh.
Now, to make this vegan, you would just skip vegan and dairy-free, you'd skip the creme fraiche, and you could do a tahini sauce with lemon juice.
Okay.
And to do gluten-free, you switch out the farro for wild rice or brown rice. And then you put a nice garnish. There you go.
Nice. That looks pretty.
Yeah, of course you have to have dessert. Go ahead.
Well, I was going to ask, would that be kind of like a replacement of turkey for someone?
No,
like a main dish?
Right. It's because it's so hearty. That person can enjoy a meal sitting at the table, and they don't necessarily will miss the meat because of the nuttiness in
kind of
the
fills
farro.
you up.
Yes.
Okay.
That gives you that flavor, loaded with protein, of course, and fiber. So yes, it will fill you up.
Yeah, and it's kind of healthy, so you don't feel so bad, right?
No, and it's versatile even after the holidays. It really works well as a weeknight dinner because it's loaded with a lot of nutritious value.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's get to the dessert.
Let's get to the dessert.
Are you a dessert person, Rachel?
Yeah.
Dessert person. Okay.
I am a dessert person. Yes, I'll be the one dessert first, food then I'll go with the food after.
Yeah, like who needs that?
Yeah. So it's going with the season. I have apple cider creme brulee.
Ooh.
And you could add a little bourbon to make it festive. I mean, you wouldn't get drunk because the alcohol really cooks off. It's just flavor.
Got it.
And I found a quick and easy way to put this together. And this is a technique I learned from my mom, because when she's in the kitchen, she's always looking to shorten time, but not flavor and not the texture.
Of course.
So one day I was making this and I go, knowing her, she'd probably throw everything in a blender. So rather than me tempering egg yolks and all of that, I put all my ingredients in there.
Interesting.
And that was my test, and it worked. So you would put
I would not have guessed that. Okay.
Yeah, you'd put your egg yolks, because it's a very rich dessert. And your heavy cream and everything in there. Blend it up, and then what you'll do is, over here, because this is what's called a water bath. Once you made this, you would have your ramekin. Pour this in there, and you put it in a preheated 325-degree oven, and you bake this.
Move this so they can
bake this for about 38 minutes.
Okay.
And then you take it out, remove it from the water bath, let it cool completely, put it in the refrigerator. Then next day, which is good. This is the fun part.
This is the fun part.
Yeah.
It's done live. So I'm so
Isn't that
excited.
cool?
Yeah, hopefully we don't set the kitchen on fire.
Yeah, hopefully not. That would probably
extinguisher. So you're using turbinado sugar, which is a type of brown sugar.
Okay.
And generously sprinkle it over. And you have your chef's torch.
Okay, this is cool. I want to make sure. Can I see this?
Oh, yes. And here we go. All right. And then this is what you do.
Ooh. Ah! You're setting us on fire, Lady Wren.
No,
Wow.
no. So
I
that's
didn't
how-
realize that it was going to do
Oh
that.
yeah, that's how you regulate the torch by doing
Interesting.
that. Yeah.
Okay.
See?
Whoa. Oh, it feels kind of nice. It's so cool.
It really
So
is.
sticky.
Oh, it's like a little
Yeah.
campfire.
Exactly.
We're good. We're good.
Wow,
Nice.
that's cool.
Oh my
So,
God.
and this is something you can do at the table with your guests
Ooh, and
as
it like
well.
chars it.
Yeah. So that's what
Oh, it
brings
feels so
that.
nice.
Yeah. That's
Sitting by the
I
fire,
didn't realize my hands were cold.
chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Oh, we're not setting the kitchen on fire.
Cool.
Okay, enough fun.
Okay, okay,
Well,
back to business,
And
Lady
then the
Ren.
way you can finish this is with some apple chips. So this is cinnamon
Okay.
apple chips.
Okay.
So you can do one or two things for an elegant garnish, or you just crumble it up and sprinkle
Lovely.
it over. And there you have it.
Amazing.
Delicious.
That all looks
Okay, we're
simple.
gonna put your
Okay.
website up there too, because I know people can order some pies and some desserts through
They
you
sure
as well.
can. Yes, I'm now taking pre-orders.
Awesome.
My next cooking class is next Sunday as well, because
Okay.
I'll share recipes people can use during the holidays.
Amazing.
And so thanks again, and happy Thanksgiving.
Happy early Thanksgiving. That was really cool. I want to get one of those
You
for my
should.
Thanksgiving.
Yes,
I don't know if my kitchen will stay intact.
It
but
will. It will.
we'll
Hey,
see.
if I didn't set this on fire, if Lee was here, she'd have a laugh. Oh yes, we had that experience with the
Oh,
stove.
no. Yikes. All right. Well, thank you so much for being here. And
You're
Rachel, I think you're
welcome.
going to give us a check of the weather up next.
Yeah,
Thank
that's right.
you.
We're going to be talking about some cooler temperatures.